All right, we are removing the fuel rail. First things first, disconnect your battery. Then I went ahead and got up here and I disconnected all 8 fuel injectors. Once I got them disconnected, I went over to the fuel line using the correct tool. In order to remove these fuel lines, you got to use your fuel disconnector tool, and you'll be needing a 5/16 and a 3/8, and it'll be you'll be able to notice the difference in size. And what you do is you'll have your fuel line plugged in, and what you do is you'll grab your fuel disconnector tool, you'll wrap it around the line, and what the fuel line does is that when you push it all the way up, it clips over this lip here. And with the fuel disconnector tool, what you'll be doing is when you have that fuel line connected here, you'd be pulling this towards the fuel line, which will release the fuel line. And once you feel it pop, then you just grab your fuel line and remove it. Take off your 2 fuel lines. I went ahead and propped them up right here. I zippy tied it to the car to keep it upwards, because after a while you'll have fuel leaking out the hoses. So I had it facing upwards, and I also went ahead and taped it because I will be having this disconnected for a while, and I don't want any debris to go in them fuel lines. After removing the fuel lines, I went ahead and removed that vacuum hose off the fuel regulator. And what you do is gently, because the year of the model, all these hoses will be brittle, you just kind of twist it and pull it. There it is. Then we hopped up top and unscrewed all 4 10mm bolts. Now I went ahead and broke all 4 loose. When you break them, you don't want to give it a real hard tug. Gently feel it break. This way you don't strip or ruin the fuel rail. Again, try gently. I wasn't exactly sure how that was gonna pop, but now that I do, let's do a little gentle. Gently pop this side up. All right, she's off. There is your fuel rail and all 8 fuel injectors. Once you got them off, you just grab your fuel rail and kind of just wobble it carefully as you pull up, and it'll come right up. All right, I just went ahead and plugged it with some napkins that I had there on my desk. This way, when I do what I gotta do on some other parts, I'll have it safe, free from debris. You don't want anything to fall in them hose. But that was just a quick short video on how to remove your fuel rail.